Ma'am, can we use colorful pens for notebook? What means?
Ma'am, what we
Ma'am,
have
page
to do?
number. Ma'am, we can't hear you.
The chat.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to do? I've joined just now.
Anushka ma'am is telling, please check the chat.
Start reading. Those who are ready, shall we start reading? Yes. Farzan. Karnav. Okay. So I want Dhyan Shelia. Dhyan Shelia, page number, lesson number, and then you may start reading the first paragraph. Second paragraph will be read by Prisha Patel. Third is Vansh Balchandani. Dhyan Shelia, Prisha Patel, Vansh Balchandani, and then Ayush Singhania. Dhyan Shelia, Prisha Patel, Vansh Balchandani, Ayush Singhania. Start, Dhyan Shelia, please.
Page number.
Number.
Ma'am, the Anshelia has turned off his mic, so.
Prisha, you may start.
Okay. Page number 66. Unit
Unit 4 it is.
Unit 4. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree, listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought
Enough, Prisha.
there was
Prisha, enough. Wonderful. It was good. Vansh, you are continuing, and after that, Ayush Singhania, and after that, Jacob.
Yes, ma'am. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice Wonderland, no, Alice wondered, a talking rabbit, a rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity, and she followed the white rabbit.
And Shri, I want you to read the same paragraph. Ayush, I want you to read the same paragraph because Vansh read it very plainly. He did not show any voice modulation, did not present any feeling. Vansh Balchandani, last year you were very good at reading. Why so plain reading this time? Yes, Ayush, please continue with the same paragraph I want you to.
Yes, ma'am. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and tied a watch. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit.
Mr. Singhania, love you. So, Dhairu bhai, page number 67, please. After Dhairya, it will be Dhyan Dalal, then Anushka Chauraria.
Okay, ma'am. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly pooped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where I am."
Only one paragraph. Good, Dhairya. It was good. Only one paragraph each. Huh? Yes, Dhyan, then Anushka, and then Riva. After Anushka, it will be Riva.
Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She wondered. Will I slip through the earth onto to the another side? Thump.
Sitting down and down and down. Dhyan, enough. Your first paragraph, one paragraph is over. So she was wondering that how long I'm going to go in such a way down, 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 down. Am I going to the next end to the earth? Am I going down from one end and coming? Will I come out from the other end of the earth? See, can you understand the humor? Yes, so she was going down and down in so much of speed and so much down in depth that she started thinking that how long I am going to continue my journey, nobody knows. Okay, so yes, next Anushka, then Riva, and then Farzan.
Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly she saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears are whiskers. How late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about
Anushka, enough. Only one paragraph. Only one paragraph. So Riva, you will start from Alice. Alice stood up.
Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. Glass
Riva.
of the building. Yeah, ma'am.
See, you have to read it in this way. Alice stood up and saw a small door about only 15 inches high. It was too small. Okay, you are reading. It was too small. No, it was too small. Okay, her to go through. So you continue, Riva, the next paragraph, and then Farzan will join you.
Then from she saw a glass table with golden on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted.
It is happiness. To her delight, it fitted. She had just tried it. Then let me see whether this key works for this hole. And to her delighted, she became so happy. Oh, in a single chance, that key is fitted. Okay. Yes, Farzan.
Yes, ma'am. Alice opened the door
Farzan,
and
Farzan.
looked into the. Yes.
She tried. The first sentence on the page number next. She tried. From there you start.
Everyone's camera should be on.
Yes.
Araf Patel, camera on.
She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight, it fitted.
Happiness.
Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she
Farzan, stop. Farzan, you are not at all paying attention to punctuation marks. I wonder. Not at all paying attention where punctuation marks are there. Where the line is getting ended, there you are stopping. Where there is a full stop, there you are.
That's why.
Don't give any excuses.
Yes, I
Yes,
promise
where is
you.
my little- Okay, let it be now. Where is my little Miss Kesham? Samu?
Hi.
Yes, start.
Yeah, ma'am.
Lovely garden she had ever seen. Till there, Farzan has read. Now continue.
From there, ma'am.
She had ever seen.
Okay. She had ever seen how she longed to be among. Man, what is written?
Among.
Among the beds of great flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not.
Samriddhi, wait. Samriddhi, you cannot even read among those beds of bright flowers. Bright. This much simple words you cannot read. Samriddhi, you have to start reading storybook at home. This is very bad, Samriddhi.
Okay, ma'am.
Rudra Mangukia. Rudra Mangukia, I want you to start reading. I can see that your camera is not working. Why should you ask me from where page? From which page? Are you not aware what is going on in the class? Ekansh, would you mind continuing? Ekansh, I want you to read how she longed. Long means she wished. How she longed. Ekansh, I want you to continue from there.
Oh, how? I wish I could become smaller. Loudly.
Where are you, Ekansh?
From where you said?
Yeah. Are you paying attention? Yug Baria? Yug Baria.
Yes, ma'am.
How she longed. From there, I want you to start reading. How she longed. Yug, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Among those beds of bright flowers, those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. Oh my!
Yug, stop. Yug, stop. Anya Agarwal. Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Patel. Arna Agarwal, I want you to read the last line.
Oh, I
wish, how I wish I could become smaller. She exclaimed loudly.
Had already seen the video of the same. We have the idea of this Alice in Wonderland story. So now today we are going to write down the word meaning. I want you to please be ready with your notebook. Date, day, heading, unit 4, lesson 8. Chalo Mohit,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
have
I
not
want
written
to ask
unit
a
4. It
question.
is
start
okay.
continuing.
I have written
Ma'am, I want to ask the question.
Word meanings.
Ma'am, we can write with colorful pens. Ma'am, can we write with color pens?
Start writing.
Swati ma'am, repeat this again, last sentence. It was not audible.
Date and day. With today's date and day, everybody.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you send this in the chat box?
It is 9:22. Till 9:25, how much we can write down, we will write down. Otherwise, I have everything sent. Farzan, I have already sent it on the classroom also. You can continue from there, and in as a homework, you can complete the word meaning. Clear, everybody? Am I audible? Yes. So till 9:25, you are supposed to write down. After that, Lamha and Jahan Agarwal. Today they will speak in the class.
Ma'am, it is done Jariwala.
And Lamasha.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, I am on meanings. Please, only 1 minute. Please. Okay.
Ma'am, can you send the down sentences in the chat so we can copy from there? Ma'am, can you send the third word meaning also? I have done.
For speaking. Now listen to me, friends. Listen to me. On page number 69, question number 7. Page number 69, question number 7. Drawing a picture of the garden. Please take it as a homework. Please take it as a homework. Question number 7, page number 69.
Ma'am, we have done our
Ma'am, we have already done it.
to draw. We have already done.
Garden, drawing that. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. So now is Jahan Jariwala ready with the presentation? Speaking.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please start.
But what do I speak? The incident thing or what you told us in the step? What you told us to
No,
do in the
what you
statement?
have done. Incident. No, Jahan, your topic was of incident, unforgettable incident.
Yeah, and
And
ma'am, I was
Lama's
sharing everything in life.
Yes, Lama's topic is my parents are everything in my life.
Okay, so do I start?
Yes, please.
So in the summer of 2018, I went on a trip abroad to the US. That particular trip has been the best holiday of my life so far. During that trip, we also had taken a cruise. on which I was accompanied by a friend of mine. But the cruise was not as fun as the incident that I'm going to tell you about. So here it goes. The most unforgettable incident in my life was the first ride on a roller coaster. And guess where this ride was? In the Universal Studios in Disneyland. So it was a sunny day, and this huge looking roller coaster caught my eye. I showed it to my dad, and he was all excited and said, "Let's go check it out." P.S. My mom was too scared to go on it. But actually, I also got a bit chickened out when I saw it. Luckily, there was no long queue to get on it, probably because everyone else was too scared. When I sat in my booth, I realized that I was super scared and obviously my tummy was rumbling. And when it started, my tummy went on its own roller coaster ride. Um, and there were these flashy lights which kept on blinking all the way. And did I mention that this was a rock roller coaster? And so the background music made it even more scary. We went around a lot of upside down loops where my heart came out of my mouth. So now you might be wondering why I am choosing this scary experience to talk about instead of something more enjoyable. Well, it is because, in spite of it being super scary, that is what actually made it more thrilling for me. When I got off, I was feeling like I almost died, but that feeling was what made it more fun and memorable. Thanks for listening to this. So, if you ever get a chance to do something you have never done before, don't let the fear overcome you and go for it.
To clap for Jahan. Seriously, Jahan, you carry on this your talent and start writing some short stories or some articles. Jahan Jariwala, I am proud of you. I seriously want you to um, enhance your this talent. So be after that. Read more and more possible things, be it on any subject. Proud of you, Jahan. Very nice. Now it is Lamha's turn. And today I will select 5 more of you. Today I will select 5 more students and I will give you one another topic. Okay? Parzu, when you are in the classroom, you are not supposed to talk to your parents or anybody else.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Hi, ma'am.
Every time you say, okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am, and then you are always busy with others.
Lakshay, you are not supposed to write message good, Jahan.
Okay, Lama, start.
Okay.
English ने book काढो.
Let me left the meeting. Ma'am, I left because my mic is not working. Yeah, ma'am. Now I'm
Must
ready.
have been by mistake, must have done. Let us wait for a single minute.
Ma'am, she has came. Ma'am, this book.
Vaidi Salia, good morning. You are just have to listen. You don't have to write down anything right now, Vaidi. Yes, Lama, start
May I
please.
start? Ma'am, may I start?
तने लखनऊ की दूँ किधर?
Good morning, है. Ma'am, can you hear me now? Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to say a thank you speech for parents. Little 2 tips of the hard work they do for us. Parents are the gems in our lives. They glow and shine in everybody's lives. Without the love and support of the parents, a child cannot succeed in their lives. From birth to childhood to adulthood, parents support us in every path of the lives. They teach us lessons of honesty,
and sincerity towards others. They teach us to identify the good and the bads in our lives. In the contribution of our parents in our lives is uncountable. Through a thank you speech to our parents, we can tell them no, or we can let them know how much they mean to us in our lives. Even today, I would like to thank each parent in the whole world for their hard work, love, and support they give to us. Thank you.
Lama, very good. I want you to listen carefully. Now, in our reading session slot after 9:40 to 10, I have decided to show you different movies, short moral stories on YouTube. So I have already started with some of the students. And then after we finish with each and every child, after we finish our this slot, the next will be your oratory week. Lakshay, don't yawn. The next will be your oratory week in which I will be sending this everything in the communication. The next week, I shall ask each and every child a story which you have seen on the screen. Is that clear? In the reading session, I will be showing you the stories, and in the English period, one full week we are going to celebrate as oratory week, speaking activity. Yes, and that time we will not write down anything, but I will be giving you homework to complete the exercises of grammar workbook, that's all. Otherwise, oratory week will be celebrated and you will be presenting a story with voice modulation, with acting, with your presentation skill, everything. Clear? Everybody understood this? Yes. Now you please see the next reading stars, writers, I mean. Please see whom I have selected.
Ma'am, who is Ditya Shah?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Spelling wrong. Dhairya Shah.
Ma'am, but my
Is that-
done already.
No, that was different. What topic you had?
Ma'am, I can't
That
hear you.
oratory week. That
Huh.
one. Okay.
So Migda, Dhairya Shah, Farzan, Riva. One more I want.
Ma'am, can you write the topic in the chat box?
Yes, I'm writing the topic. And Arav Patel.
Fatima.
Arav Patel.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
I'm giving you a topic. I'm giving you a topic.
Okay, ma'am, now.
Fatima.
Yes.
Swati ma'am, we have to write in our notebook or speak.
Notebook and then you have to present.
Fatima.
Yes.
Ma'am, I did not see my name on the Thursday, so can you take my
Ma'am,
reading
I
session?
can't hear you.
Swati ma'am, can I stay in the reading session today? Because yesterday's reading session, I don't know there was my name.
Okay.
Can I?
Who is this? Anushka? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you'll select different students, right, from the week onwards.
I don't want you to speak because of that noise.
Ma'am, of all topic is this?
Vivan Patel. Is Vivan Patel there? Not Vihan, Vivan. Yes, Vivan Patel, how could you tell me why?
And Joe.
It is not even yet 9:40. How can you tell me why? Vivan Patel, please no.
Yes,
Till I
ma'am.
give you the permission, you cannot leave the class.
All topic is this?
I have given you the topic. Could you see that?
Ma'am, the names you have given will again write the article.
Farzan's turn is all over.
Ma'am, can we leave Farzan and Dhairya over there?
एक minute. Stop. Dhairya, what was your topic?
Ma'am, Article 1,
Yes.
my unforgettable incident in my life.
Oh, yes, yes. So Dhairya, now your name will not be there. Instead, Arna Agarwal will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Arna Agarwal. Yes, Dhairya, I'm sorry, I have already given you the marks. Arna Agarwal, and your topic
Yeah,
will be my plans about my future. My plans about my future. Okay, Arna?
Ma'am, those
Yes.
who know him, they can leave.
Yes?
Those who have no name, they can leave.
No, it is 9:37 still. Our time is still 9:40. So open the page. A Marigold textbook. Open your page, poem Why.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have to say about my parents.
काय है ना?
Ma'am, Farzan is also done. Yeah, ma'am, Farzan is also done.
Yes, yes. So Farzan,
Because of instead of Farzan.
Prisha Patel. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the topic?
My plans about my future.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Prisha Chandarana, please start reading the poem. Why?
ma'am, can I start?
You can start.
Yes, ma'am. Unit 4. Why? I know a curious boy who is always asking why. Why is this? Why is that? Why then? Why now? Why?
Extra words to be read. You are reading some extra word. You are reading why is this? It is not like that. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? It is a poem. It is not a lesson. You should read it in that way. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now?
Ma'am, this is my favorite line.
Very good, Lakshay.
Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Bye bye. Why bye the bye? He wants to know why wood should swing, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sings the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why.
Leave everybody. We may leave. It was good, Vivan. Good. Nice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kanak, ma'am.
Bye,
Now
ma'am.
only reading students. Yes. The
Bye,
students who
ma'am.
are for reading.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.